Hi students. So in the previous session we discussed about the problems of first question from exercise 14.1. So today I am going to start the problems of second question. I mean today I'm going to teach you the problems of second question. See what it contains. That second question, all of you see here. Factorize the following expressions. So in the previous class you learned the common factors of the given terms. Okay, students. So here we have to factorize the following expressions. Okay. See the first one, it is 7x minus 42. Here, see students, here in the this is the first term and this is the second term. So in the first problem we have total two terms here. One is 7x and another one is it is a 42. So among both these terms, which one is the common here? See, I mean, first see the numbers here. So whether both these number comes in the same table? Yes, both these number comes in the same table, that is 7. Okay, so therefore put the equal sign, write that 7, okay, and put the into bracket. So inside the bracket you have to write, see here, see among the 7x and 42, 7 is a common, understood? So here you write that 7 outside, okay, and remain we have to write inside, that is if you write 7 outside, x remains inside and minus write as it is. Okay, so 42, it means 7, how much of 42 it is? 7 6 42. Okay, so it means, so this is the answer for the first problem of second question. This much only, students, it is. See, after multiplying all these, after multiplying both, we have to get this original expression. So how it is? 7 bracket means it is a into, okay, 7 into x, 7x, okay, and after that plus into minus, 7 6 42. Okay, so this is the factorized form of this given expression. Understood, students? So now let me solve the another one, that is the fourth problem. Here I am going to solve, students. Okay, fourth problem, that is minus 16z, okay, minus 16z plus 20 z cube, 20 z cube. So it is the fourth problem, students. Here I am going to solve here. See, among first we have to think about the number 16 and 20. Both these number comes in which table? Those comes in fourth table. Okay, write that 4 here. Okay, and after that we have to think about the variables. See, students, here we have one z and here we have 3 z's. It means here is the power of z is 1 and here the power of z is 3. It means here we have to remove only, we have to write only one z. Understood? And inside the bracket we have to write the remaining, that is 4, how much the 16? 4 4s, right? The see, students, here 4 4s 16, and don't write z here because we already wrote it outside. Okay, next here we have to put the minus sign. Understood? And this plus write as it is. 4, how much that? 20. 4 5 are 20. Understood? See, students, here outside the bracket we wrote here 1z, but here we have how many z's here? 3z, 3 z raised to 3. It means among if you write one z outside, how much we have to write here? Only 2. Understood? that is 4z into bracket minus 4 plus 5z square. See here, after multiplying all this, we have to get this original expression. See how it check, plus into minus, minus. Here it is a plus, okay. Plus into minus, minus 4 4 the 16 and z1 the z, right, as it is. After that we have to think, after that we have to multiply both these terms, that is plus into plus plus, okay. 4 5 is 20, z into z square, z cube. Understood, students? It means here 4z it is the common factor of both these terms, and here 7 it is the common factor of both these terms. Understood, students? This much only. See the next one, that is I am going to solve that fifth one. Fifth one, that is 20 L square m and 30 A L m. See this one, students. Here also we have two terms, and here we have to find the common factor here. See this 20 and 30, both these numbers comes in which table? That is a 10. Okay, write that 10 here first, and here we have to take a bigger number. I mean 20 and 30, both these number comes also in 2 and 5 of 2 5, okay, like this. But 2 5 10, but we have to choose the bigger one. Here also this 16 and 20, both these number comes 2 table also, but we have to choose the only bigger here, and this much is okay. Okay, now see this one, fifth students. Now we have to think about the variables. Here we have 2l and here we have 1l. It means here we write only 1l. Understood? And here we have 1m and here we have 1m. Okay, remove it. It is a common. Common means the number or a variable, it should be in the given terms. The given terms may be 2 terms, they may be 3 terms, they may be 4 terms, whatever it may be. But the common factor means the given the number or a variable, it should be in the given terms. Understood? Next, we have to think about the a. See, a it is here but not here. Okay, let it. And remaining we have to write inside, students. See, 10 how much the 20? 10 to the 20. Understood? And next, students, here we have 1l and inside we, here it is a 2. It means here we write 1l. Understood? In the given terms L is 2, but outside the bracket we have wrote only 1l. Okay, it means we have to write one more L here and put the plus here. 10 how much is 30? 10 3 is 30, and L and M we wrote outside because it is a common for both these terms, and remaining what? Only A left inside. Understood, students? So after multiplying all this, whether we get this one or not, check it. 10 to the 30, 10 to the 20, L into L, L square, M into M, L. Okay, and after that we have to multiply both these. 10 3 is 30 and L M A, or LMA means it is a ALM, LMA, both are, all these are same, students. Okay, so this is the solution, students. Now let me solve the another one, that is seventh one. I am going to solve here. Seventh one, that is 10a square, 10a square minus 15b square, okay, plus 20 c square. So students, here we have three terms. Okay, and 10 15 20, all these number comes in which table? That is 5. Okay, write 5 here, and after that if you think about the variables, no common here. It means inside we write 5 how much the 10? 5 2 is 10, and a square right as it is, minus 5 how much the 15? 5 3 is a b square right as it is, and 5 how much the 20? 5 4 is 20, c square right as it is. It means, students, 5 it is common for all these given terms. Okay, understood? See, after multiplying all this, whether we get the original expression here. See, 5 2 is 10, a square, plus into minus, 5 3 is 15, b square, 5 4 is 20, c square. It is a solution for the 7th one. Now let me solve the another one, students, here. See the here the problem, students, all of you here. Here also we have 3 terms, that is minus 4a square plus 4ab minus 4ca. Okay, and among all these, which one is the common here? 4 is common. And after that, in this term we have a square, and in this term we have a, and in this term we have a, and write it outside. Okay, it means a is common in all the given terms. And after that, if you check the b is not here. If you check the c is not here. Okay, let it this much only, and remaining we have to write inside. Okay, minus a. How it comes, friends? All of you see here, minus we have to write as it is. And here, if you remove 4 outside here, inside what left? Here we also write 1a here. Okay, here we have 2a. It means here we have to write only 1a. Okay, understood? And put here plus sign. And if you remove outside 4a here, only left b. And here also, if you remove 4 and a, what remains inside? Only c left. Understood, students? It means 4a, it is a common for all these given terms. That much only, students. If you multiply all these, see here, plus into minus, 4a into a, how much it comes? 4a into a. See here, 4a into a, how much it comes? 4a square comes. Understood? And here, if you multiply 4a and b, 4a becomes. If you multiply 4a into c, 4ca comes. Understood? Now let me solve the 10th one, friends. All of you see here. Here also we have 3 terms. Okay, one is ax square y, bx square y, cxy z. Now, students, here which is the common factor among all these given terms? All of you see here, a is here, but not in this given. I mean, a is here, but not in the remaining 2 terms. Let it. Now think about x square. X square is here, but here in the 3rd term only x is here. It means here we will write only x. Understood, students? And y is here. It means here we will write only y. Okay, z is here, but not z comes in both these terms. Okay, so remaining we have to write inside the bracket. If you remove xy here, what left inside? A left. And here we have removed only one x. It means we have to write one more x here. If you remove one y here, you don't write y here. Put the plus. Okay. And after that, b write as it is. Okay. We removed only one x. It means we have to write one more x. Don't write y here because we already, it is a common. Understood? Next, c write. Okay, and don't write xy because it is a common, and remains what? Z. Understood, students? It means xy into bracket ax plus bx plus cz. See here, in the given terms, xy is the common for all these given terms. Okay, students? So these are the solution for the problems of second question. I hope all of you understood all these. Okay, so in this I solved total 6 problems. 1 2 3 4 5 6 problems I solved, students. And the second question contains total 10 problems. You remain for 4 problems. They are the homework for all of you. Okay, and practice all those. Tomorrow I will meet with you new exercise, new question, okay, of this exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day.